So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to have a search bar instead of a search icon. So the first thing you want to do, if you go to the left, you can see home, orders, products and stuff like that. In order to mess or change your search preferences, you will need to go to your online store. From here you will see themes. Now I'll just show you how it looks right now. If you go to customize, and open it up, you can see here there's a search icon and you want that to be your search bar. So let's exit right now. From here you need to go to the three dots and you can see here rename, duplicate, download theme file, edit code and stuff like that. So click on edit code. So feel free to just uncollapse all of these things, and from there you will just need to click on the snippets file. So from here you can see add a new snippet and you can see there are many other snippets. So let's click on here, just name it search, then you just need to put in minus bar. So you can click on done. So you can see here no recent changes, file does not have any other versions, and this is when this website will come in. So just copy, you can pause the video and copy this website right here, which will give you the shortcut of the code you need for that search bar to appear. So just make sure that you go through all of this and you will be given a code which will make changes to your search icon. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Shopify or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.